I am making a 4th of July custom. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be customizing Air Force Ones, and I'm going to be doing a split custom, which is like down the middle, basically a split, and then you paint on one side. And I'm going to be doing them with red, white, and blue, so to make it like 4th of July colors, since 4th of July was like last weekend, something like that. But yeah, so I already did these on 4th of July, and they were super quick, super easy, and they turned out really great. I really like them. So now you guys get to see how I made them. And before you guys watch today's video, go watch all the other videos and then come back to this video, and then give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, enjoy watching them.
Coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, state your name, been dope on flame, I just switched the lanes, damn he did it again, I just flipped the pain, stripping and dipping in bass, slab on everything, swimming you sinking away, cause I got big racks coming, I put my low racks on it, I ain't skip past losses, I had to get back off it, see the fit lab on it until they whip my coffin, money clip I tossed it, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming, coming in, flex, I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233, I'm on 10 again, pump up the action, I'm active, if he never heard of.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love how the splits came out. They're really nice. And yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and go follow my Instagram and the Shoe Garage Instagram, which I'll leave links to down below. And bye.
I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2233.